guys on the track need more.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my tinted lip glosses. Today I'll be doing the mango and the honeydew. I got these oils from Amazon and they are scented. And the pigments I got from TKB Trading. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, add me on Instagram, send me an email, order some lip glosses to help your girl out, and stay tuned. So if you watched my previous video of me placing the lip gloss in the tubes, you know that I get my lip gloss base from TKB Trading, and this package cost me around $50, I believe. And I'm just gonna be pouring some in the whatever you call it, the little containers. And I'm gonna be making two mixtures today. I'm gonna be making mango and watermelon. So right here I will be pouring 4 teaspoons of coconut oil in each mixture. Like I said before, I'm not giving out the whole formula, so you guys gonna have to figure out your own oils, but for this video I'll only be using the coconut oil. If it looked like I'm scared to pour the oil, I was scared because I don't like oil spilling on me, so I was being very careful. These pigments go on clear. The color is just to mimic the color of the fruits that I'm using, which is watermelon and mango. I didn't add much of the pink because I want it to be a little see-through color so you could see through the lip gloss too, because I added the little strawberries. Using the plastic spoon, I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing. Yeah, I should have poured that whole thing of glitter. I was being so cheap and it ended up not showing anyway because I poured too much of the pigment, but I know better for next time. Now I'm adding the scented oils. This one is mango and the other one is honey melon dew, something like that, and I paid $16.95 for like eight flavors in a box. Now adding the preservative oil. I got this oil from TKB Trading, like I mentioned before, and if you plan on selling your lip gloss, you must put this in there in order for it to last longer. So I skipped past the whole part of me filling up the lip gloss tubes because I have a whole video on that, and I will link that in the description box down below. I'm just placing the tops on, and then I'm gonna start putting on the labels. I'm just going to place the labels on the lip glosses. Make sure you wash your glosses off after you're done making it because it gets really messy and really sticky. Although these are still sticky, I do need to wipe it off with some alcohol. I'm going to do that off camera and then come back. Alright, so these labels I got off of Avery. And I paid $12 for 48 of them. Although I don't like how small it came out, I'm going to figure out the sizes and do them over. But for now, I'm going to use these because they can't go to waste. My nails get in the way of everything, literally. So I'm just going to place it like this. I'm going to try to get it in the middle. Although my nails are so damn long. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna wrap it around like this. To the other side. So this is what it looks like. And I do need to change my lip gloss tubes because I don't like the aftermath. Like the fingerprints stay on the gloss and I hate that. So I'm gonna change these tubes soon. These are the $4 tubes and I did put some actual watermelon inside. It's watermelon flavored. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna name it as yet. Gonna do the same thing, place it in the middle. Really, sis? Like this. And then go around. And these are mango flavors. This tube goes for $8 and the other one is $4. Take another one. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.